Here's a closer look at our two launch recovery systems, Ralar 1 and Ralar 2. R1 stores 1 or 2 drones internally, while R2 attaches 1 or more drone magazines with up to 10 drones in each magazine. We gave these soldiers no instructions with R1. It took 3 minutes to load and strap down. And here's R2 getting mounted in 4 minutes with just 2 people. In both cases, Ralar installs fast and easy. These are dual-use systems built for any defense or commercial vehicle or vessel. We have operated drones on many different platforms already. For example, police, package delivery, military, or port security, or more. All of them can benefit from our technology. We have already demonstrated our tech on autonomous boats. On remotely operated vehicles. On infantry squad vehicles. This drone was recovered in 20-mile-per-hour crosswinds, the kind of conditions that normally halt drone operations today. And lots of autonomous vehicles. And even on everyday pickup trucks. With Ralar 2, we turn any vehicle into a mobile drone base with 1 or more drone magazine attachments to keep drones charged and mission ready. For commercial or covert operations, we can package Ralar in many different containers. Maestro is our super brain. It controls all of our products so that one person launches, manages, and recovers drones with simply the push of a button on a screen. Our voice-activated artificial intelligence further simplifies multi-drone operations, including swarms when drone magazines are attached. Here, Maestro tasks 2 drones to follow a truck in a specific formation. Very useful for asset protection and tracking threats or suspects for commercial users, such as the police. While here, a single military operator can hold ground and airborne formation with many drones and Ralars. While there are plenty of drones for sale right now, most of them require precise takeoff and landing areas and require 1 licensed pilot for each drone. And these drones take too much time to set up and put away, especially when time and mobility can be the difference between life or death. With Target Arms integrated solutions, anyone can use drones anytime from any moving platform. We make using drones simple.